Hey, welcome to Rejuvenate Nation, where our goal is to help you get fit and fine without wasting time. Today, I'm going to show you 8 exercises that you can do in 15 to 20 minutes to help you burn fat and increase your energy for the whole day. Before we get started, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration and you need help getting started, click the link in the description section in my bio for a free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. These exercises I'm going to do today are easy full body exercises with no jumping that anyone can do. So no more wasting time, let's get it. All right, ladies, before we get started, we must warm up first. So we got 4 exercises that we're going to do. The first one, we're going to reach up, touch our knees, toes. We're doing this 8 times. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 2 more. 7, last one. 8. Good job. All right, the next exercise that we're going to do, jumping jacks. We have 8. All right, let's get it. 1, 2. If you can't do it that way, go ahead and do it like this. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, ladies, so the warm-up is very important. You want to get your body moving, get your blood flowing before you get started with your workout, okay? All right, so the next thing, we got alternating crunches, all right, while standing, all right? Alternate. We have 8. That's 3. That's 4. We got 4 more. 6. And 8. Good job. All right. The next exercise we're going to do push-ups. All right. So you're going to go down slowly. All right. You're on your knees, on your hands. You're going to keep your back straight, your stomach sucked in. You're going to go down and back up. All right, that's 1. We have 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 3 more. 6, 7. All right, last one. 8. All right, good job, ladies. All right, so you're going to do this warm up 3 times total. Take you a little break, come back, and we'll get started with the workout. Okay, ladies, so we're back, but before we get started, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration and you need help getting started, click the link in my bio for a free 5-day Get Moving and Get Motivated challenge. All right, ladies, so our first exercise we're gonna do calf raises, all right? So you're gonna stand tall, keep your body straight, suck your stomach in, you're just gonna go up and back down. All right, we have this 8 times, okay? That's 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 more. 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, for our next exercise that we're going to do squats, okay? So you're going to make your legs shoulder length apart, keeping your back straight, head high, and simply just go down as far as you can go. Bring it back up and squeeze. All right, we have 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 more. 7, last one. 8. Good job. All right, the next exercise, we have butt taps. All right, so you're gonna go on your back slowly. All right, going straight on your back. Feet on the ground. All right, hands right by your side. You're just gonna simply raise your butt all the way up and back down. All right, we have this 8 times. 2, squeeze your glutes at the top. 3, 4, 5, we have 3 more. 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, ladies, so the next exercise, we're gonna get up slowly and in position to do a low plank. Okay, so you're gonna be on your elbows. All right, keeping your body straight, making sure your butt is not too high. And we're gonna hold it for 20 seconds. You got 5 seconds. All right, good job. And remember, if you need to take a break, go ahead and take a break, get you some water, catch your breath, and come back into it, okay? All right, ladies, we're back. So now we're gonna do flutter kicks. All right, so you're gonna lay on your back. All right, and making sure your hand is close to your body. All right, staying tight, and we're gonna flutter our feet. Just like this, we have 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, ladies, so now the next exercise, we're gonna do speed skaters, okay? All right, so you're gonna stand up. All right, you're just gonna go side to side. We got 8, all right? That's 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, ladies, so the next exercise that we're gonna do are side lunges. All right, so you're gonna stand, making sure you're keeping your back straight, chest up. All right, bringing it back to the middle. All right, we have 8. Going side to side. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, ladies, so on these last 2, we want to really focus on our glute area, so we're going to do some more squats and some more butt taps, all right? So we have 8 more squats. All right, let's get it. 1, squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we got 2 more. 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, we're back on the floor. We're doing 8 butt taps. We're gonna finish strong, okay? Feet on the floor, hands by your side, and raise high as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, good job, ladies. All right, so again, this workout is for 15 to 20 minutes. So do as many as you can in that time frame. And just remember, take your time, drink your water, and I'll see you on the next video.